Welcome to City Grilling. My name is Rob Bohr. This is going to be a fun episode of doing Wiener Schnitzel, right? Basically, that's just a fried pork chop, or not pork chop, but a pork loin. You can substitute chicken if you'd like for this, but it's real simple. It's easy to do. And it's kind of fun, really. So the first step is getting some nice pork loin. So I have some that are actually fairly thin already. And what you want to do is basically hammer the meat, right? It sounds bad, but basically you're just gonna hammer the meat down to flatten it out to about a 1/4 inch or a little bit less in order to fry this up. So here's how you do it. I put a little cellophane down and just smash it down just like that. It's real easy to do. Just pull it up. Look at that. That's exactly what I'm looking for, right? So I'll do that with the rest of these and get ready to put them in our mixture here, which I'll show you in just a minute, and then out on the griddle. Okay, I have the meat pounded out, nice and thin. So what I'm gonna do is put it in the flour. I put some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some sea salt in there. So just shake off any extra flour, then do a little egg wash, just like so. And finally, into the breadcrumbs. So you really can't do this ahead of time. You need to just do it right now. Then get all the meat ready, and then get ready to put it out on the grill. All right. So I'll go ahead and finish the rest of these and go out on the grill here in just a second. All right, I'm out of my griddle. I have my Wiener Schnitzel ready to go. I'm just gonna place it on here. I can hear a little sizzle happening with that oil. I placed some oil already on here to make sure I can fry this up a bit. You could do this in a skillet, just the same. I just want to do it out on the grill this time, or I should say the griddle itself. So place those on here and let this cook for probably 2 to 3 minutes, and then flip them over. All right, so while I'm letting the Wiener Schnitzel cook there, I'm gonna go ahead and do some veggies on the side here. So on this side, I have a little bit of oil, a little broccoli, cauliflower. I'm just gonna kind of cook those up just right here on the side. And when these get done, I've got my cookie sheet here ready to put anything aside just in case. I'll season up the veggies here with a little, I like this complete seasoning. It's pretty tasty, so just put a little bit of that on there, maybe put a little bit more in a little bit. I'll mix those veggies up just a second, okay? It's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my Wiener Schnitzel. Wow, that looks delicious. Oh my goodness. I use a little more oil there. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. Again, a couple more minutes on each of these sides here, and this is gonna be done. Go ahead and finish up my broccoli and cauliflower, and I'll take it all inside. All right, the Wiener Schnitzel looks really good, so I'm gonna put it on my warming rack right here. Just set it aside. Finish up my vegetables at the same time here. Just set those right there. Those look beautiful. Get a little more greenness on my veggies here, and get ready to take this all inside. Okay, I brought in my Wiener Schnitzel. It looks delicious. I'll just go ahead and plate this up and give it a try. I brought in my vegetables as well, seasoned, ready to go. We'll have some mashed potatoes and gravy. I'm just gonna go ahead and just take a bite of this. I gotta try it. Wow, what a fun way to do Wiener Schnitzel. Out on a griddle instead of a grill. Tastes really good. I highly recommend this. Give it a try sometime. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. One too many drinks, and that happens when you're cooking, right? So, all right, we'll see you next time.